We ready? Plug it in. Okay, we have a winner. That was probably the toughest thing I'm going to have to do today. Probably feeling a lot of pressure. Morning, let me thank you all for being here today. We welcome the opportunity to put to use our first electric vehicle charging station. It's a big moment. In 2010, Pepco Holdings is purchasing 10 new Volts for our fleet. We will use them in our business and to support a regional study to determine the infrastructure needed to support electrification of our transportation system as part of our smart grid deployment. Our expectations are that electric vehicles will improve our fleet fuel efficiency and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. The way we use energy is changing, and these vehicles will lead the way. It's not hard to imagine what I just did, what Jim and I just did, happening in your garage or in garages like this. And when you think about that, it's not going to take us 20 years to get there, I think. It's particularly a point of pride for me as it relates to Pepco Holdings to see ourselves positioned as leaders in really helping this country deal with some very fundamental issues with regard to energy consumption and improving our environment. So this is a moment of real pride for me.
Over there, Frank.
I'm going to get
We're one of the
My name is Tony Poswatz. Sounds like kilowatts. I represent General Motors and the Chevrolet Volt. I'm the vehicle line director. Today, we've announced with our great partner at Pepco the convergence of the automotive sector and the utility sector to bring plug-in vehicles to the Washington, D.C. area later this year. We'll be working.
I
think the answer is yes, but let me see if there's any commitments. It has to be at a ride and drive event. I don't know what exactly the first meeting is coming, so let me just We'll be working with Pepco to learn about how to make the experience for customers, the experience of plugging in, an exciting experience, an experience that allow you to burn rubber with the Chevy Volt and not burn gasoline. The Chevy Volt offers an OnStar mobile app. This particular smartphone allows me to see the state of charge of my Chevrolet Volt plugged in back in Detroit, and it's currently scheduled to charge during off-peak, but if I want to send a signal to it, you can charge now. And there we go. Chevy Volt charging, smartphone, smart car with a Pepco smart grid.
I'm the Vice President of Safety and Strategic Services, and one area of responsibility I have is fleet acquisition. We're very excited about the partnership with GM. It allows us to test new technologies and see how that will work within our fleet. We are committed to cleaner and environmentally friendly technologies within our fleet, and we are also very supportive of the EEI commitment statement, which covers 5 infrastructure. We are committed to working with the right stakeholders, including the OEMs, state regulators, legislators, on proliferation of charging stations throughout our service territory. Customer support. We are committed to working with car manufacturers, car dealers, legislators, and other interested parties on ensuring that the application of charging stations is seamless for our customers. Customer education. We will work with all interested parties to ensure our customers understand the benefits of using electric vehicles. Vehicle and infrastructure incentives. Currently, we do not have specific tariff rates to allow us to charge for charging vehicles, but we will be working with the Board of Public Utilities and the Public Service Commissions on those rates. Utility fleets. We believe it's important to support environmentally friendly technologies, and so we are looking to use this pilot on the GM Volts to see how electric vehicles will fit into our fleet.
Andre, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
This is a really exciting day, and it's a real thrill for me to take a spin in the Volt. And I look at this as an important part of our journey towards achieving the smart grid. So, very good day today.
Thank you.